How many of you ready for a story? Say hi. Hi. Long ago in China, there was an archer. He was very good in archery, very talented. Wherever he will go to a marketplace. Marketplace, he'll assemble everybody and he will start his performance. So people will all assemble to see. Our archer friend, he will come, he'll take one arrow and shoot in the center. Bullseye, correct adima. What will people do? Come on, sir. Yeah. Now what he'll do is he'll take two arrows. He'll get two targets. Ore adila, yeah, rendu bullseye. But he gets two. People are happy. Yeah, he was a proper performer. Then he'll take three. Everybody, Panuvana illiya. He'll take three. He'll hit the three target. What will people say? Wow, come on. Yeah, but the final thing what he will do is he'll take a blindfold. Everybody, he'll take one arrow, take and he'll shoot. He'll go and hit the target. What will people do? Wow! Yeah, so he became very popular because nobody could do like. One day he landed a view called as, it's in the northern province. Many people came, many people assembled and all the things. In that there was an old man, big beard. Who was this guy? Chinese movie la baat. This guy's name was a Chinese philosopher. His name is what? Chinese philosopher. Confucius. Confucius was sitting there, yeah. And the archer friend came, shot. Everybody did. Then he took two arrows. He shot. Everybody did. But our Confucius is sitting. The target is here. He is sitting here and only doing this. No? Yes. No reaction. Now our young friend had got used to the appreciation. Yango ponalu ellaru appreciate panavanga, paarattuvanga, kai tattvanga. They'll say, wow, you're so talented, you're so great. But this guy Confucius, just three, he'll take three, he'll shoot and he'll look there. He'll get the target. But the old man, like, I don't care. What is the last one? Cut it there. He will look everywhere. He will open the eye. He will see the old man is there. Close and take aim. Where will it hit? Bull's eye. He'll hit the. Everybody start cheering. Come on. But old man, no reaction. This young man will get very angry. Young guy. He goes and asks old man. He'll ask him, what happened? Did I not do good? He said, it is just a matter of P. What is P? What is P? He said, what is this? Can you do it? So the young man asked, can you do it? Can you do it? He said, no, I can't do this. Then why are you not appreciating? But it is nothing. It is a matter of P. Matter of P. He said, no, this is not right. Tell me what is this P. Come with me, I'll show you. Old man, Confucius, took him to his house. They went, they have this Chinese waist, no? Very big neck, small opening, 2-1. He'll take hot oil. Confucius will take hot oil and pour. The oil will fall correctly through the center, not touching the wall and fall inside, and you can hear the sound. Tuck, you will hear the sound. Okay. And then he'll take the other side. This time the young man will say, how are you doing so beautifully? So it is not touching any wall. Thin cylinder. He asked him, how are you doing it? The Confucius said, matter of P. Practice. The moment you learn the art of practice, concentration goes up. You want concentration? How many of you want concentration? Say aye. It's all about practice. The more you practice, your concentration goes up. Isn't it? You want better concentration? Practice makes anybody perfect, not man or woman. Correct? But practice ku steps irukku. Practice ku 3 steps are there. How many steps? Practice makes progress. Practice பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சீங்கன்னா கொஞ்ச நாள்ல உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? Progress. Then practice makes permanent. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes progress. Teachers, everybody come on. Practice makes progress. Practice makes permanent, and then practice makes Perfect.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.